Breakfast bright and early today before we go off on our adventure. There is so many options on breakfast because we're extra early today. So trying to figure out what is all the options for breakfast. Go. Sausage. Yeah, sausage? No? Sarah, you want sausage? What is that?
Same in the new, but inside is cheese and beans. What this one is only cheese.
Ah, yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah. You won't eat too much, okay? As we're going on the bus.
Just have it on the floor. And
You just want this?
Yes, super.
I'm just giving you two, okay?
One more thing and
What is this? Pineapple?
pineapple. Okay.
Is pineapple?
Okay, so I think this.
You want pineapple? No, I'm not giving you no pineapple.
Why?
Tell me I give you one pineapple, okay? Just one. And one next little one. Ta-da!
Two. And one next.
Go. Where's Papa? Sarah? Come in. Wow. And the fruits line. Wow. Assorted everything. Just find a space so I can come and sit.
Where?
Where? Go. Come on. The concierge playing with Tyler. You're gonna eat sausage, pancake, and syrup, okay, for your pancake. Okay, blow it. I'm going for juice. I like their green juice, so I'll get green juice. Their green juice is nice, and they have pamplemousse juice, they have tangerine juice, orange juice, cold chocolate, and what's that? Milk. Okay, I'll get some juice for Sarah. Sarah loves orange juice. Hi, Faith. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night from Bam. Say good morning.
What, Bayou? I need buenos dias.
Hey, Sarah. Say good morning. Alright, Sarah still up on the Gaza all go on. It's a brand new day here in Mexico, and it's not cold, it's warm and feel nice. Right now we are heading out. We are heading on an adventure today. We're heading to take the bus and we're going on a little drive. We are going to visit some historic sites. You guys know about that adventure life. Yes, princess. So that's what we are doing right now. We are supposed to get the bus in about 10 minutes and we're going to have a good day and enjoy today's adventure. So enjoy today's vlog and catch up and keep up with us. Whatever it is that we'll be experiencing today in Mexico, let's go do it together, shall we? So I'll talk to you guys while we're on our way. Look. You guys are in the bus. See? What is it? Our first stop is Tulum. Okay, you guys. So we are in the bus, and our first stop will be Tulum. So we're heading to Tulum first. We have a few places to go to today, so Tulum will be the first stop. So as I go along, I'll show you guys all the stops that we're gonna make. You're showing them a mermaid. Sarah got a new friend. That's a new friend. What's her name? Her name is Mermaid. Okay, give mermaid kisses. She loved this mermaid. She saw it last night when we went to walking outside the hotel, and she saw it and she just picked it up and started kissing it. I feel her lips will fall off the way she loves kissing things. The French culture. They're loving her. Anyway, guys, we're in these streets. We should have like an hour before we reach Tulum. So we're on our way. Tulum. Right now we have entered Tulum and we're trying to catch up with everybody. Give me a hat. Soon put it back on. Come, let's catch Papa. Wow. Come on. What? Okay.
I've got something for your glaucoma.
Go in. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Going through the tunnel. Going through the tunnel. Yeah. We made it on the other side. Go. Ah, gosh. Here we are. We've arrived. Living the good Tulum life. Tulum with our group touring. Come on. You go. Go, 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 Tyler. We come back. So Tulum is basically a lot of forestry, a lot of trees, and a lot of history about these broken down houses. But I can't really listen to the history much because I have to be looking after this one, that one. So baby's in the group over there listening. But I'm enjoying. Yeah, I am here in the sun in Tulum. Call these trees sea grapes.
Want some water, Sarah?
Open. Sarah, water. Go in the corner.
Mama, mango.
What's mango?
And the tree.
Where? Coconut. I just want one of these coconuts, that's all.
Is there a lot of coconut?
In Mexico?
On hot island.
Yes. Especially Jamaica and Mexico. Look, there's coconuts everywhere.
And Mexico is not an island.
It is hot. And more historic grounds in Tulum. There's another iguana. Look at the iguana, Ty. Iguana, look. Sarah, look at the...
Mama, my shoes.
What's wrong with your shoes?
Mama.
You guys, there's iguana everywhere in this place.
Mama.
Yes.
Every time there is
Iguana? That's where he,
a
that's where he live.
iguana.
Yeah, that's where he live. That's his house.
Here we'll see another one and
Maybe not. Yes, look! He's huge! Look at that big one up there. You see him? Look at that.
Mama, little tail. My bird.
Look at that.
Mama's little tail.
Show,
like this
show
iguana.
mama. Show mama how the lizard said. This boy is so funny. He showed me the lizard position because I couldn't see the lizard properly. It's so funny. This tour is so fun. We're having so much fun. Oh, with a lot of dust. A lot of iguanas. Hi, Minnie. Put your glasses on so the wind is out of your eyes.
Can I tell fifth how many when I saw just now?
Yes.
In Mexico.
Yes.
30.
13?
Yes.
Don't push.
12 here and 1 at the
Wow. Rule number 1, never go on a Tulum tour and wear white shoes. Break. It's yummy, Sarah. Yummy Thai.
Yep.
Papa.
Strawberry ice cream here is better than France.
Okay. Well, there you have it. I'm having nuts. I'm not a fan of it, but okay.
Because I don't want to.
You need to hurry. We have 15 minutes before we get to the bus.
So we're ending Tulum. Tulum was interesting. We learned about the Maya civilization and a lot of these things. The landscape was great too. So yeah, we really had fun. Tyler is here. You had fun, Tyler?
Yes.
I'm just tired. We're hungry now, but we're not gonna eat right now. So we're snacking. But yeah, we're having a good day. The time is like, we feel we did so much things and it's just midday. So yeah, we're gonna have a great full day.
You guys, I'm so tired. So that's a little vlog for Tulum. We're moving on to another location, so hence I'm ending this vlog right now. Hopefully you guys enjoy the bits and pieces. What I realized is that in Tulum there's not much to see apart from the touristic little tour. Yeah, but it was nice. We had a good time. Sarah, look up. Say bye. Bye. We're ending. Say bye. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the family. And we're off to another location. Hence, I'm ending this vlog. So tomorrow, you'll see where we're heading right now. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow and be ready for another location. So see you guys tomorrow.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.